Welcome to Pair of Aces Trading, where we go over stocks that are of the highest quality, just like a pair of aces. I'd like to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So please take my words with caution, as this is all my opinion.
Hello, today is January 18, 2023. I'm going to talk about Factset Research Systems Inc, or FDS is the ticker symbol. This is a stock that I would get into today. Reason why is what I do is I look here on the weekly MACD histogram, and if you look here, let me zoom in a little bit for you. Right here, do you see how it was sloping down, and then now it started sloping up. So as it started sloping up is when I like to get into a stock. I like to get into a stock when it starts sloping up, plus especially when this slow stochastics is also with a buy signal. So when those two are both buy signals, it makes it stronger. But worst case scenario, I would get in when this starts sloping up, and then like I said, it's even better when they're both with buy signals. So I would get into this stock today. Buy it anytime today would be good. And then what I do is as the stock goes up or goes down, I'm going to use the on balance volume here to kind of help me out in figuring out when to get out of the stock or whether to stay in the stock or not. Just to give you an idea, let's go backtrack a few months here. Do you see how the stock price goes up here? And then what I do is I look for the on balance volume to kind of match the highs and lows of the stock. So you see how it goes from here to here, and then it kind of goes down and goes up. This point here is higher than this point, so I want to make sure that it's the same thing with the stocks, and then it is. As you can see, this point here is higher than this point here, just like it's higher than this point here. So that's a confirmation that it's going to keep going up, and which it did. It did keep going up. And then again, I look at this peak here, and this peak is higher than this peak, just like this is higher than this peak. So again, it confirms, and it kept going up, and then all of a sudden now it started going down. It went down because, as you can see, the weekly MACD histogram started going down. That's what I use. I use this one to kind of help me decide whether to stay in the stock or not. And then, of course, if it goes below a support level, then it'd be good to get out. So in this case, you see how it kind of went below the support level. This would be the latest support level. It went below, so it would have been good to get out there. But then now, it's a good time to get back in because, like I said, the weekly MACD histogram is starting to go back up. So I would go in today. Let's say today's closing price, well, let's look at here. Let's say closing 400, let's say anywhere today. Let's say you got in $428, $429, anywhere today would have been good. And then that is it for now. We'll keep track of this stock I'll check it again in a few days and give you an update to see what I think I should do with it from that point on. You have a good day. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this type of content, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below on what stock you'd like me to rate next, and I'll tell you if I think it's the next pair of aces.